I was like, huh, I'm an interesting choice for this, considering how adult the subject matter is.
I wish they'd let me dream, at least for a little bit.
Honestly, they're getting the same thing adults are getting from it. And a story like this that can be there for them on that level, that can have characters that are deeply layered and messed up but are trying to be better. The layers of doubt and fear and anxiety and all the stuff that they go through, I think that's like a universal thing that we can all understand, and it's deeply relatable and empowering in a lot of ways. I know when I was a kid, I didn't want people to talk down to me. I wanted to be treated like an adult. I wanted people to hear me and see me, and I think that's what this story does, is they feel seen by reading it. That's what I felt when I found it.